If you're seeing a Canva error occurred while downloading, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest ways to get your design downloaded properly again. We'll go step by step through refreshing the page, checking your internet, changing the file type, clearing your browser cache, and turning off extensions that may be blocking Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to download your Canva file without the error coming back. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to try is the simplest fix: refresh Canva. Sometimes the download error happens because the page has glitched or the session has timed out. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R to reload the page. If you're on a Mac, use Command and R instead. Once Canva reloads, try downloading your design again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this alone solves the problem. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt Canva's download process. Open a new browser tab and search for speed test, then run a speed test and make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or dropping out, restart your router, switch networks if possible, or wait until your connection improves. After that, go back to Canva and try to download again. Another very effective fix is changing the file type. Sometimes the issue is specific to the format you're exporting. In Canva, go to Share, then choose Download. Instead of downloading as PDF, try selecting PNG or JPG if that works for your project. These image formats often download more reliably, especially for social media graphics, thumbnails, and simple designs. Once you select the new file type, click Download again and check whether the error is resolved. If that still doesn't work, the problem may be coming from your browser cache. Over time, cache data can become outdated or corrupted and interfere with websites like Canva. To clear it, open your browser menu, usually the three dots in the top corner. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and look for Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files are selected, then clear them. After the cache is cleared, close and reopen your browser, log back into Canva, and test the download one more time. Now, if you're still getting the error, browser extensions could be the cause. Ad blockers and other privacy tools sometimes interfere with Canva's download function. Open your browser menu again, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Look for any ad blockers or suspicious extensions and turn them off temporarily. Once they're disabled, return to Canva and try downloading your design again. If it works, then you've found the issue. If none of those steps fix it, you can also combine them. Refresh Canva, check your internet. Clear your cache and disable extensions one by one until the download works. Usually, one of these steps will solve the error occurred downloading message in Canva quickly and without any advanced troubleshooting. So to recap, the main fixes are: refresh the page with Ctrl or Command plus R, run a speed test to check your internet, switch the download format from PDF to PNG or JPG, clear your browser cache, and disable extensions like ad blockers. These are the fastest and safest ways to get Canva downloading properly again. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes, design tutorials, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.